Unlock your full potential. Ultimate yoga flow for unbeatable flexibility. Welcome to Unlock Your Full Potential. Ultimate yoga flow for unbeatable flexibility. In this video, we will guide you through a transformative yoga practice designed to enhance your flexibility and empower you to reach your full potential. This ultimate yoga flow incorporates a series of dynamic poses that will stretch and strengthen your body, release tension, and improve your overall well-being. Join us on this journey to unlock the unlimited possibilities within you. Get ready to experience a profound mind-body connection and unleash your fullest potential through the power of yoga. Welcome to Unlock Your Full Potential, Ultimate Yoga Flow for Unbeatable Flexibility. Are you ready to enhance your flexibility, experience a profound mind-body connection, and unlock your full potential? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you through an invigorating yoga flow that will leave you feeling flexible, empowered, and ready to take on the world. Let's begin. As we embark on this journey to unlock your full potential, it's important to create a serene space where you can fully immerse yourself in the practice. Find a quiet spot in your home, roll out your yoga mat, and let the magic unfold. Start by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension or worries. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Now, let's move into an invigorating yoga flow that will awaken your body and cultivate unbeatable flexibility. We will start with a gentle warm-up to prepare your muscles for the deeper stretches to come. Flow through each pose with grace and intention, focusing on your breath as you move. Feel the energy surging through your body, melting away any stiffness or resistance. Embrace the power of these poses to challenge yourself and push your limits. Remember to honor your body and listen to its needs. If at any point you feel discomfort or pain, feel free to modify the poses or take a rest in child's pose. Flexibility is a journey, and every step counts. As we near the end of this yoga flow, it's time to transition into a deeper state of relaxation. Slowly lower yourself onto your mat and find a comfortable lying position. Close your eyes and allow yourself to surrender to the present moment. Take a moment to focus on your breath and let go of any lingering tension. Release any expectations or self-judgment. This is your time to fully embrace your unbeatable flexibility, both in body and mind. Congratulations on completing Unlock Your Full Potential, Ultimate Yoga Flow for Unbeatable Flexibility. We hope this transformative practice has left you feeling more connected to your body, more flexible in both body and mind, and ready to embrace all the possibilities life has to offer. Remember, flexibility is not just about the physical body. It's about opening yourself up to new experiences and unlocking your full potential. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep unlocking your unlimited potential. Namaste.